Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today I am going to tell you about the kill command. So let's start with the video. First, who am I? Then pwd and then host name as we always do. I've been logged in through putty window and now the kill command will be discussing with you. So kill command is used to terminate process manually and it sends a signal which ultimately terminates or kills a particular process or group of processes. Usage, we can use as kill, then say option, and then PID, that is process ID. So option will be the signal name or signal number, what to do, that will actually tell to the kill command, and then PID, the process ID, that we all know how to get that process ID. Quite simple. You can use stop to get the process ID. From here you can see PID, or else you can let me clear the screen. You can use also PS minus EF, that we all know. That will also give you the process ID. This is the PID, right? So from here you can also get the process ID. So let's moving on, clearing the screen. What are the other options we can use with kill command? So one option we can have kill minus L, which will to get a list of all signal names or signal number. So if you hit enter over here, you'll see there are total 64 signals how we can use with this kill command. So moving on to the next option, which is kill minus 1. It is another option to restart. Then we can use kill minus 2 and the interrupt, just like keyboard we are putting control C. uh, like that we can use kill minus 2 for Linux system. Then most of the system admin are using one, this kill minus 9, which is forcefully kill the process, right? And then we can use also kill minus 15, which is gracefully kill a process. So let's moving on to the practical part, then we'll get the better knowledge of it. So let me clear the screen once again. Now let's moving on one by one to the option of the kill. So first we can see system CTL, then status, then firewall D. It is showing it's running, or you can use another command to get the detail, or else you can use systemctl status firewall D dot service. That will also give you the details of the system. Now we have the process ID over here 771, right? Now say I want to stop the firewall. How to do that? We know one command is there, which is systemctl stop, right? But let's say this command is not working anymore. So in that case, what will you do? So for Windows we know, which is we can end the task, right? So in case of Windows we know we can go to the status bar, then select the task manager, and after that select the process and kill the process with end task, right? And we end the task. So that's the way how to do with Windows. For Linux, what to do? We need to log in first, because to kill a process we have to have the permission of root. So become root first, and after giving the password, let me try with the kill command now. So kill, and the PID was process ID was 771. So give that ID only. 771 should be killed. It should be killed now. So get the status as system CTL, then status firewall val d, enter. You can see here it is inactive and dead, so the process is dead now. So that way also you can kill the process and stop the process. Moving on to the next one. Now we want to use the command kill with -1 option, which is the restart the process, right? But to restart the process we need to have the process id, which we do not have right now because we have already killed the process. You can see there is no process id right now, which is inactive. You can check the status also if you have access. You can see it was already killed, so it's inactive, it will not work. So what we'll do, we'll just first start the process of the firewall, then we'll get the id, process id, then we'll do the thing. So for that we'll do system status ctl, then we'll start it. Start firewall d should be started now, yes. Check the status, should be active now, yes. And we have got the process id, this one, right? 3404. Now let's restart the process. So for that we'll do kill -1 and then process id, which is 3404, right? 3404. Hit enter. Should be restarted. Check the status. It is been restarted for you, and this is the process id, right? It has been already been restarted. So moving on to the next one. Now say we want to kill a process using kill -9 option. So for that I'm opening say wget session, and here what we'll do, I'll first log in uh, and I run a command called sleep, which is a sleep, say for 120 seconds. So it will keep on blinking, you can see. So it's running now. Move on to the another window to check the process, which will be ps -ef, then ps, then space -ef, then we'll grep with grep sleep, right? If I do that, you can see the system is running sleep 120, right? Now let's kill it. How to do that? Keep this window open so that you can see also over here. Now it's sleep, right? Now let's kill it with kill -9 command. Kill -9 option. And what is the process ID? Yes, killed. So 3655 is the process ID. I was running with that. So now when I gave this command, immediately the window has gone, which was the sleep window I have opened, right? So if you can check the status also, you'll get it. Again do ps grep sleep. You can see that process has already been gone, right? 120 seconds is gone because I've killed it, right? So that's how you can use kill -9 option. Now say you have some process on top. With top you can find process and which is long running process, right? Is running so long and you cannot get the root cause of it, or the root process which is running behind it. So for that what we'll do, we'll just select the PID, like here. Say this one the PID process ID, or say this one process ID 363761. We get that, come out of it, and then just kill and give that ID, which was 3641. And if I hit enter, it will immediately stop that process. So I'm not doing it right now, just to show you how to do it. So that's the way you can kill the process immediately, so that you can kill that process immediately. Moving on to the next one. Now other command we have kill all, which will kill all the process along with the all child process. So that's the kill all command. Moving on to the next one. Now we have pkill, which will kill the process with its process name. It was process id what we have just done with process id. Now we can kill with the process name as well with pkill command. So if you can compare with the windows, go to the task manager, you'll find it over here. Just to show you. So if I take any process, if I take this one, if I take this one, I can end task, right? If I do that, it will give you one pop-up to confirm, and then just complete the task and stop it. Now this is one way to do. Another one is services. Some services we can start and restart. So these are the already stopped service. So if I check one, say, and do right click on it, you can start the service and stop, restart. These are options are available, right? So there is a comparison between Windows and the Linux system. So that's how the same way you can do with pkill command in here on Linux. So pkill if I use, and if you give the process name, then you can kill the process. That's pretty much it related to kill command. If you want more knowledge about it, definitely you have to search with man space kill. It will give you all the options available over here. Keep pressing the spacebar and you'll get the detail. So that's all for today, folks. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. And stay tuned to my channel because more videos are coming into your way to help you out. So thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another practical lesson. Thank you so much.